Nestled amidst the rolling hills of Los Angeles, Tea House is a testament to architectural innovation and environmental responsibility. Designed by Aaron Neubert Architects, this residence for a young family offers breathtaking views of the city below while seamlessly integrating into its natural surroundings. The home's unique T shape was inspired by the site's steep terrain and the desire to capture panoramic views. The lower levels, featuring guest suites and an entertainment area, open onto a terraced garden and pool, creating a serene oasis for relaxation. Above, the living spaces, including the kitchen, dining room, and lounge, are bathed in natural light thanks to a vertical slot window that connects the interior to the exterior. Tea House is more than just a beautiful home, it's a showcase of sustainable design. From the use of drought-tolerant plants to the implementation of a rainwater harvesting system, every aspect of the residence is designed to minimize its environmental impact. The materials used, such as charcoal-stained cedar siding and hand-pressed terracotta bricks, not only add to the home's aesthetic appeal but also contribute to its longevity and sustainability. As the sun sets over the Hollywood Hills, Tea House becomes a beacon of tranquility and a testament to the power of thoughtful design. It offers its residents a truly exceptional living experience, one that is both luxurious and environmentally conscious. Tea House is more than just a beautiful home, it's a testament to the power of thoughtful design and sustainable living. Aaron Neubert Architects has created a residence that not only blends seamlessly into its natural surroundings, but also sets a new standard for hillside development. With its stunning views, innovative architecture, and commitment to environmental responsibility, Tea House offers a truly exceptional living experience. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest projects.